Once again, very good afternoon to everybody and welcome back to the channel. This is Manish Yadav, your English teacher. Today we are going to explain from this part of this chapter. If there is a part of the brain especially devoted to mischief. Okay. Till this paragraph, we knew how Toto was doing lots of nuisance in the family of the narrator. The narrator describes lots of nuisance and the activities of Toto, what happened when he came to his home, and what happened in that incident when he was accompanied by grandfather in Saharanpur, when his narrator's grandfather went for collecting his pension. All the incidents are very enjoyable, and in this paragraph the narrator has given an account of kitchen when Toto was there in a kettle. Okay, it was a boiling water and the temperature was gradually increasing because it was kept for boiling. It was half boiled. Okay, when Toto went there and settled himself in the kettle for having a bath because he wanted to give some heat himself, but he didn't know that its temperature will increase moment after moment because the flame was there burning, the burner was burning. But meanwhile grandmother arrived and holded him that leave from there, it may be harmful for Toto if grandmother doesn't come on the exact time. Now let us go through the next paragraph. If there is a part of the brain especially devoted to mischief, the narrator says that if God gives every human being and all the creature another part of brain that is especially devoted to mischief, for doing nuisance and committing so many rebels, so that part was largely developed in Toto. Okay, that part was largely developed means he has a great part of brain that commits lots of mischief in the brain of Toto. He was always tearing things pieces. Okay, Toto was fond of tearing things into pieces. Whatever he finds, he tears up everything into small teeny pieces. Whenever one of my aunts came near him, he made every effort to get hold of her dress and tear a hole in it. It means Toto was fond of making nuisance and mischiefs in the presence of my familiar. My familiar, narrator's familiar. The narrator is giving a brief account of activities in his family when Toto was carried from the Tonga driver, and his activity was very unadorable. What he does was unacceptable. When he finds or sees my aunt anywhere in the house, he tries efforts to get hold of her dress and tear a hole in it. Okay, means it was a chief activity out of all the activities of Toto. One day at lunchtime, a large dish of pulao stood in the center of dining table. Okay, This is the moment of supper. When we have supper at evening, there was a large dish of pulao. Pulao, it is a kind of rice which is made uh, with the help of ghee, okay, mixing it with it, and it was there at the center of the dining table. We entered in the room to find Toto studying himself with rice. Okay, he was stuffing himself with rice. It means he was playing with the pulao. It was kept there to be served all the familiars at the supper, but he was playing with it. Okay, because he doesn't know the importance of food, that is why he was playing with the dish of pulao. Okay, means it was also a nuisance committed by Toto. Okay, I think it is easy to understand. An animal, we domesticate different types of animals at our home, and we would never accept such nuisance and mischiefs of animal at our home. For example, if we have a pet like monkey, cat, dog, so we have it for the benefits of ours. Okay, we would never accept such nuisance if it will be committed by an animal that are which has been domesticated. So Toto was doing such activities which was unjustified and unacceptable. Finally, what happened? Let us know. My grandmother screamed. Obviously, when a lady who has cooked a delicious, dish, she would be fond of its delicacy. Okay, when my grandmother saw the activity, she screamed out, and Toto threw a plate at her. Wow, how horrible the scenario was there. Toto threw a plate at grandmother. It might hit her and hurt her. One of my aunts rushed forward, okay, to protect my grandmother, and received a glass of water on the face. When one of my aunt rushed, stepped forward, seeing the activity of Toto when he threw a plate at my grandmother's face, my aunt's face was also receiving another glass of, plate that was thrown by Toto. When grandfather arrived, Toto picked up a dish of pulao and made his exit through a window. It means he was afraid of grandfather only. He was obeying grandfather in the family. Okay, nobody else. We found him in the branches of the jackfruit tree, the dish still in his arms. When the baby monkey saw grandfather there, he took the plate of pulao and ran away through the window. He went to the jackfruit tree and sat on the branches. He was still having the dish in his arms. When we saw this activity of Toto, we got trouble and worried about his activity. If he will be constantly committing such nuisance and mischiefs in the family, it will never be acceptable. It will be, unjustified for all the familiars. Maybe someday he will be tearing up very expensive things in the family or anywhere in the house. So it is not beneficial according to the angle of economics. So what they decided at last, he remained there all afternoon. Toto was there on the branches of jackfruit tree. eating slowly through the rice, determined on finishing every grain. He was determined. Okay, he has, firmly decided that I'll eat all the rice, and he was there. Okay, and then, in order to spite grandmother who had screamed at him, he threw the dish down from the tree and chattered with delight when it broke into teeny pieces. Okay, how horrible and terrible activities of tortoise. I think we would never accept such activity of an animal. Okay, I'll kill the animal if I would be there at the place of narrator or his grandfather. Okay, he threw the plate of rice downward and it broke into teeny pieces. So this is also unacceptable. Finally, what happened in the last paragraph of this chapter? Let us know the rest of the explanation. हाँ बेटा बोलो.
Good afternoon, sir.
Who is there to wish good afternoon? What is your name?
Shruti Verma, sir, attendance लगा दीजिए.
No. This is not acceptable. Okay, amid the period, if you will come to admit or to join the class, this is not, because we have to send. Excuse me, listen me very carefully. We have to forward the soft copy of recorded meetings, okay, to CBSC, and they'll calculate the attendance of every students. If it is below 75, they'll not consider the material for their first term and second term. So we are hopeless, dear. You have to admit at the beginning of the class when it is started, right?
Yes, sir. Sir,
So
but
from the
लगा
next
दीजिए.
time
Sir,
you
क्या
will be
करें,
aware of
network
it.
problem है.
Okay, let's go through the last paragraph of this chapter. I hope everything is clear. Is
Yes,
it clear? Anybody has
Yes,
any
sir.
particular
Yes,
problem? You can ask me. किसी को कोई समस्या है?
No, sir.
ठीक है, चलिए आगे देखते हैं. Obviously, Toto was not the sort of pet we could keep for a long. Okay, I mean, after this type of loss, nobody would be there to accept such mischievous animal to be domesticated at home. तुम लोग करोगे? Would you like to domesticate such animal as pet? Reply me, anybody. आप लोग ऐसे जानवरों को पालना पसंद करेंगे जो आपके सारे कपड़े को स्मॉल टीनी पीसेस में फाड़ फाड़ के रख दे? अच्छी सी कोई डिश बनी हो, सपोज दैट चिकन बना हो, मटन बना हो, या फिर कुछ और बना हो, पनीर बना हो, और उसको जो है वो एनिमल लेके भाग जाए, बाहर खा के आए, फिर प्लेट को ऐसे तोड़ दे आपके सामने, और आप इतना मर मर के बनाए उसको, आपको कैसा लगेगा? Even he will throw that dish on your face, okay, and it will change the shape of your face. How beautiful you are looking at this time, but how will you look afterward? कैसे दिखेंगे आप लोग, बताइए. अरे भाई कोई बोल क्यों नहीं रहा है? Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
तो बोल क्यों नहीं रहे हो तुम लोग? किसको पढ़ा रहा हूँ मैं?
Sir.
अच्छा रुको, मैं एक एक नाम लेके बोलता हूँ तुम लोगों का, तब बोलोगे तुम लोग. हाँ, जया मिश्रा बोलो. चलो. अगर तुम्हारे घर इस तरह का कोई एनिमल होगा तो कैसा फील करेंगे आप? हाउ हैप्पी वुड यू बी देयर?
सर, अच्छा फील नहीं करेंगे, वो सारी चीज खराब कर दे रहा
अच्छा, श्रुति वर्मा। अच्छा, ये आई थी बस अटेंडेंस लगवाने क्या भाई? हेलो,
सर है तो श्रुति वर्मा।
शी इज नॉट गेटिंग माई वॉइस। श्रुति, श्रुति मेरी आवाज़ जा रही है? इसका भी लग रहा है जियो मरो हो गया है ना, सबको कहो एयरटेल लगवाएं, सबका जियो मरो हो गया है।
राइट सर।
राइट सर, चलिए ठीक है, मत बोलिए आप लोग, आप लोगों को बोलने में एनर्जी लग रही है, मैं ही बोलता हूँ। हम लोग तो पत्थर खाते हैं ना सारे टीचर्स। नाउ इट वाज harmful and not beneficial for a family to have such a pet who creates nuisance and commits lots of mischiefs, breaking and tearing up particles into teeny pieces, throwing articles on the faces of the familiars, changing the shape of their faces, and so many more. Now, even grandfather realized that we were not well to do and could not afford the frequent loss of dishes, clothes, and curtains and wallpaper. I mean, we will not be there to tolerate any kinds of, loss like dishes, clothes, curtains, and other wallpapers, ornamental wallpapers. Once he tore up into teeny pieces. Now, so grandfather found a Tonga driver and sold Toto back to him for only 3 rupees. सिर्फ 3 रुपए में उस बंदर को उसने बेच दिया दादाजी ने, क्योंकि बड़ा नुकसान करता था। लास्ट में जो कंक्लूजन है इस पैराग्राफ का आप अच्छे समझ लेंगे कि इस तरह के जानवर को, अब ये तो जानवर है, व्हाट इज़ द कॉमन साइकोलॉजी ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग इफ इट वुड बी a member of their family. For example, your brother, your sister, anybody else, if they have gone to be crazy, they are not in proper situation or normal condition with the beauty of their brain, if they are creating such nuisance, maybe their mind is not working properly, the functions are disturbed, so we will never be there to tolerate all these types of activities of our family. All right,
यस सर।
भाई ही क्यों ना हो, बहन ही क्यों ना हो, लोग इंजेक्शन दे देते हैं कि जाने तो जब पगला गया है तो मार दो इसको इंजेक्शन दे करके, होता है ना। तो बंदर और बिल्ली को कौन टॉलरेट करेगा भाई, कौन बियर करेगा कि हाँ इतना नुकसान कर रहा है, तो लोग उसको हटा ही देते हैं। ठीक है, आई मीन दे ट्राई टू डिस्पोज दीज टाइप्स ऑफ ऑब्स्टिकल्स कमिंग इन द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ देयर लाइफ। तो ये रहा समरी और ये रहा एक्सप्लेनेशन, सेकेंड चैप्टर द एडवेंचर्स ऑफ टोटो। अब इसमें किसी को प्रॉब्लम है तो नेक्स्ट मीटिंग में आप बताएंगे, और इसके बाद आप आई मीन you'll be going through the exercises, I mean all the questions that has been given after this chapter. If you are facing a problems with the questions, let me know. Go through the questions
Okay,
if you
sir.
are having a book.
Okay, sir.
Answer of this question, please.
Grandfather had great liking for animal. He
Yeah.
bought Toto from a Tonga driver and decided to put him his private zoo.
What was the activity of Toto that tempted the grandfather a lot? When he saw first time the baby monkey in the bag of Tonga driver, what was the monkey doing that tempted the grandfather lots to have or to add in the number of private zoo? बंदरवा कौन सी एक्टिविटी कर रहा था जो बड़ी पसंद आई दादाजी को, और उन्होंने निर्णय ले लिया कि इस बंदरवा को हम अपने प्राइवेट जू में रखेंगे? 4 मिनट का समय है बेटा आप लोगों के पास, उसके बाद जो है जो शेड्यूल है वो ओवर हो जाएगा, मीटिंग ओवर हो जाएगी। चलिए कल आप सारे लोग सभी क्वेश्चंस का रिप्लाई अपने रफ कॉपी में राइट करेंगे। ओके, आवाज़ जा रही मेरी?
Yes, sir.
Everybody would be writing all the possible answers, okay, for each question in your rough copy, and you will explain your answer, okay, on the basis of your own creation. Nobody will write bookish statements. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so
Okay,
till
sir.
that time stay home,
Okay, sir.
stay home and stay safe. Best of luck, wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir.